Hello everyone and welcome back to Big Tree Channel. We hope you guys are staying safe out there. We are back with another super duper easy recipe originally posted by Isha Foundation. The name of the recipe is chocolate peanut no bake pie. This recipe is absolutely gluten free, contains no refined sugar, and it also is absolutely dairy free. So step 1 is to make the pie crust. This recipe is for 7 to 8 inches diameter pie plate, but because I only had the 9-inch one, I just decided to work with what I had, and it just worked absolutely fine. For this, we'll need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of walnuts, and 1 cup of pitted dates. I will go ahead and add these items in the blender and blend it till it looks like this. As you can see, I've also greased my pie plate with some coconut oil. Let's go ahead and add the mix into the pie plate, and what I will do is I will start pushing this mixture towards the edges of the pie plate just to give it a pie crust shape. So this is what it looks like, and we are done with step 1. So let's begin with the second step, which is pie filling. For this, we'll need 3 ripe bananas, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of roasted peanuts, and these peanuts should be unsalted, 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey or any sweetener of your choice, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So the first thing to do for pie filling is to go ahead and grind the peanuts, and since you're grinding the peanuts, chances are that it will get turned into slightly a paste kind of texture, obviously because of all the oil that it has, but this is completely alright. And then we'll go ahead and add all the rest of the ingredients for the pie filling into a blender and blend it till it looks like a smooth paste like this. And now you can go ahead and pour the filling into the crust. Now there's one last step to this recipe, which is ganache filling. But ganache topping is actually completely optional, so if you want, you can just stop at the pie filling step and just enjoy the pie without the ganache topping. For this, you'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 to 3 drops of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract in this step is actually optional. It wasn't in the recipe, but I just wanted to add it. Mix these ingredients and just drizzle it over the pie filling and just spread it smoothly and evenly like this. And ta-da! Our pie is ready, and I'm all set to put it in the freezer for minimum 2 hours. If you want, you can also try to set it in the fridge, but I prefer to set it in the freezer. And there you go, look at that. Our pie is ready and the filling is so smooth and creamy. Isn't it so easy and healthy? We really hope you would try this recipe, and if you do, then please comment below and let us know your experience. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and take care.